Hello dear students, this is Ejaz Sir's Maths Academy and today we have to solve the questions from the exercise. We have almost finished electricity chapter and let us now do with the numerical questions. See, this is the first numerical question in the exercise and it says judge the equivalent. Exercise means in text questions. Judge the equivalent resistance when the following are connected in parallel. When 1 ohm resistance and 10 raised to power 6 ohm resistance are, these two resistors are connected in parallel. What are their values? And we know when the resistors are connected in parallel, it means there is branching. So this, let us suppose R1, resistance number 1 is 1 ohm and this is resistance number 2. This is 10 raised to power 6 ohm. R2 is 10 raised to power 6 ohm. 10 raised to power 6 means you know its value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ohm. 10 raised to power 6 means 10 lakh ohms. Okay, so these two are connected in parallel. Now how do we solve it? So the resultant resistance of the parallel combination 1 upon Rp, Rp means resultant resistance, equivalent resistance will be equal to 1 upon R1. What is our formula for parallel combination? 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 because there are only two resistors connected. So we'll write 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 is 1 ohm plus 1 upon R2. 1 upon R2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These many ohms. Okay. Now how are we going to solve it? Well, I think I should solve it here on the left hand side. Okay. This is the solution. It is starting from here. So it will be 1 upon Rp is equal to, we will do cross multiplication. This 10 lakh will come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus this 1 will be here plus 1 divided by, there will be a product of these two. 1 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of writing 10 raised to power 6, I have made it simpler. So we can put it like 10 raised to power 6 or we can do it like this. This will become easier. Okay. Powers may create difficulties for you. So the step will be, this is 10 lakh plus 1. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1. We have to add 1 to it. So this 1 will be added at the last and it will become 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this will be 1 divided by this value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how much is it? If we solve it, the value will be, this is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 10 lakh and 1. 10 lakh and 1 divided by 10 lakh. So it will be 0 point something. And this will be 1 point something. But we have to find Rp. We don't have to find 1 upon Rp. So let us do its reciprocal. Let us do its reciprocal. And the reciprocal will be Rp is equal to 10 lakh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. Now you see the numerator is greater and the denominator is greater and the numerator is lesser, smaller. Since the numerator is smaller, we are dividing it by 10 lakh and 1. We are dividing 10 lakh by 10 lakh and 1. It will be 0 point something. 0 point something. So we can write it. We can write that resistors in parallel is less than, the resultant resistance will be less than 1. And always remember, whenever we connect two resistors in parallel, any two resistors, the resultant resistance is less than the first resistor, it is always less than the second one also. If there are 10 resistors connected in parallel, the resultant resistance will always be less than each value. It will always be less than each value. So here the smallest value is 1 ohm and resultant will be less than 1 ohm. Understood? I should put the ohm sign here. This is how we have solved the first question. Now let us proceed to the second one. This is the second, and we are doing its solution. We will solve it. See, let us say R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 1000 ohm. Let us do it like this, 1000 ohm, and R3 is equal to 10 raised to power 6 ohm. Let it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ohm, 10 lakh ohms. Okay, now these three are connected in parallel. These three are to be connected in parallel, and we know when resistors are connected in parallel, what happens? The resultant value is always less than each individual value. So it will be, shall I make a diagram for it? It's not necessary, but still for your ease, for your what should I say? For your ease, for your convenience, I am drawing it. This is R1, this is R2, and this third resistance is R3. Okay, they are connected in parallel. The current is going like this. Here the current is divided into 3 branches. Therefore, the 3 resistors are connected in parallel. How are we going to solve? 1 upon equivalent resistance, resultant resistance of parallel combination will be equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 is equal to, this is 1 upon Rp, 1 upon 1 ohm plus 1 upon 1 ohm plus 1 upon 1000 ohm plus 1 upon 10 lakh ohms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ohms. Okay, so we can do one thing, we can solve the first two. 1 upon Rp is equal to, let us solve these two first. Let us solve these two first. So let's do the cross multiplication. 1000 ones are 1000 plus 1 ones are 1, and cross multiplication will be 1 into 1000 plus, keep it as it is, 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 upon Rp is equal to, what will be the result? 1001 divided by 1000 plus 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now what to do? How to solve further? So if we want that the denominator should become the same, we can do one thing. There are 3 zeros here. If we multiply both the values by 1000, we will get 3 zeros in the denominator also. So it will become, see, we will find its LCM. So 1 upon Rp is equal to, this is 1001 multiplied by 1000. I am multiplying it by 1000, and this 1000 is also being multiplied by 1000 plus 1 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What have I done? I have multiplied this numerator by 1000 and multiplied this denominator also by 1000. Both are multiplied by 1000. And why have I done this? Because I want that the two denominators should become the same. Then we will write them only once. So it becomes 1 upon Rp is equal to, what will be the value? 1001 1000. Okay, multiplication upon, this will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the base has become the same. So it's 1 upon Rp is equal to 1001 plus 1. So this will become again 1 divided by 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. 10 lakh 1001 divided by 10 lakh. So again the given answer is, let me check. Again this is less than 1 ohm. If we do it like this, Rp, doing its reciprocal, because we want to find Rp. Our aim is to find a resultant resistance of parallel combination, this will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 divided by 1 0 0 1 0 0 1, and Rp will be less than 1 ohm. Rp will be less than 1 ohm. Always remember, whenever resistors are connected in parallel, find the minimum resistance, and always remember that the resultant resistance will be less than R2, it will be less than R3, and it will be less than R1 also. Rp is always less than R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, how many, whatever may be the number of resistors. Parallel combination Rp, resultant of parallel combination, is always less than each individual value. Each R1, R2, R3, Rp is always less than individual values. Okay, that was our first question. Pause the video and note it down. Till then, I will write down the next question. There is a second question here. I will write down the question on the board so that you will not have to go to the textbook for the question. Okay.